President of Indian Association of Tour Operators, ITO, to kindly please join us on the dais and address the august gathering present here tonight. बहुत-बहुत अभिनंदन. राजीव जी का स्वागत कीजिए everybody. Let's welcome him by a wonderful applause. राजीव जी बहुत-बहुत अभिनंदन, बहुत-बहुत स्वागत.
Respected dignitaries, members of the industry, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. First of all, I congratulate ICM Group for organizing this meaningful platform, and I thank them for giving ITO an opportunity to address the audience today. Well, it is imperative to reconnect with consumers, hotels, transporters, guides, airlines, which is the basic theme today, build the roadmap, discuss the implementation of the new normal for the diverse facts abiding each stakeholder. A new opportunity, a new normal beckons us. Either we capitalize or we capsize. So it is up to us to decide that. It is time to reinvent, restructure our product and services in the form of new destinations, unique experiences, our price strategy that shall make a business sense with financial discipline and ethics, lubricant to the channel so that consumers welcome the need immediately, and especially post-COVID, the substantially aspect of the destination, the facts of the tourist, marketing and promotion needs to be directed at the target audience in India and abroad, that India is ready to welcome tourists with the new normal to be echoed. We are grateful to the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, for initiating the much thought after craft in this direction. The feature of accountability pre, during and post a tour to be ushered to be building desired level of confidence in the tourist. We need to drive in a process, bring in a system, especially now in the COVID and post-COVID era, where all the dimensions of safety, hygiene and security are brought in during the meet and greet at the airport, surface transportation, in the hotel and at the sightseeing places, thus packaging a product or servicing forms a vital constituent of the process with all the SOPs of the COVID and post-COVID times well anchored. The personal touch completes the reboot, sanitization, providing masks, guiding on maintaining a social distance, all aspects to be needed to taken care on one-to-one basis. Conclusively, let me place before the House a reinvent, restructure, reset, unleash the new norms, talent, synergies, collaboration with the government in a disciplined environment so that the CLAP synergizes the system. Booting is now complete. Ladies and gentlemen, be ready to punch the keyboard and deliver a success story. Now basically this all will start when the government announces the withdrawal of restrictions on e-tourist visa and on international flights. Well, we are requesting the government, Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Home Affairs, and the first step has already been there because I've been emphasizing from day one that the first step would be that the restrictions of interstate travel within India needs to be changed, and those who are got 2 doses should be allowed to travel without any restrictions. So I think majority of the states have agreed to that. Farooq Sahab, aapki state ne nahi kara abhi tak, they must do it that those who have got 2 doses should be allowed to enter without an RT-PCR test. And so as Ladakh now does it so far. So we have to start this and give confidence to the foreign tour operators that we are ready to receive them here. And if that happens, I think it will be a very good sign for revival of the tourism industry. Therefore, for all the secretaries and other government officials sitting here, my request is that please allow all those who got both the doses to enter your state for tourism or any other purpose without any restrictions at all. So once we do this, then the international tourists will start coming up, and outbound from here will also start, because some of the countries have started giving visas for Indians to travel to their countries. So there are 4 countries in Europe who have already allowed that. So my humble request to each one of you is that please, wherever you meet officials of the government, please tell them which at the level of I2 we are doing it, at all stages, and I think we will have success. So thank you very much, and have a pleasant evening. And from this dais, I will also like to wish Mr. Ajay Gupta a very happy birthday. It happens to be his birthday today. So although he is keeping quiet, I think he must have arranged a cake for all of us today also. Thanks, Ajay, and once again wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Rajiv ji, for presenting your thoughts, sharing your views with us tonight. Thank you for joining us.